Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we're going to be assembling this car. Alright, so first of all, go ahead and clip away supports here. Clip, clip, clip. Not supports, the sprues, I guess. There's not really much supports in this kit. Just, yeah. There you go, and then there you go as well. Then there's these little pieces. More on those later. I'll show you what they do. Kind of small. So, it's tiny scale. You might even not even notice they're there or not. So, you decide if you want to deal with that. Okay, that's done. So the front or the back, those pieces are done. The front is not done though. Take a look. There's some supports. Support plastic here. There you go. And going well. Okay. Great. That's all done. Now let's start to glue. First of all, take some glue. Put some glue there. Put this piece together like so. Making sure it goes into the nice positioning and stuff. Then put a little glue like this. Good job. Set the car like this and like that. There you go. Now these lines and stuff here, you can, the door, that kind of lines up well with the door. But this top, you could sand it down. You could put putty, sand it down a bit between the cracks and the lines and whatever. These are the back pieces. I put a little glue there. And there's that. There you go. Back lights or whatever. Now the tires you can dry fit. Just make sure that, let's see here. There you go. I believe that's it. That's just the back ones here. Yeah, so there's some tires with this little edge there, and that goes in the front. So pay attention to that. So let's put the glue there. Alright, just making sure we get things done correctly. Alright, there's that. Available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.